Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Alibaba just 10 days ago, to be exact on July the 7th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $97.91. And at this point, my main assumption was that in order to confirm the beginning of new uptrend, we have to see this movement to the upside that should be in a shape of 5-wave structure that should be followed by 3 waves retracement. And somewhere at this point, at C point, we could have and we might have a possibility to enter long position to catch its next leg to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Alibaba. And I made my previous video at this point somewhere here. And since I made it, this asset went higher. Take a look right here. It formed this type of movement to the upside that is exactly in a shape of 5-wave structure. And we are at the very beginning of this retracement. And guys, as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you why this asset had a substantial movement to the upside that brought to its value from this swing low about 33% of additional value, and how you can benefit out of its upcoming movements. So, first of all, we have to find out what is the sentiment directly related to Alibaba stock, and to find it out you have to type in Google search bar Baba stock and switch to new tab folder. Here you can see several recent news, and first of all I want to pay attention to this one. It was published on CNBC.com on July 15th, just 3 days ago, and it's titled Alibaba's US listed shares rise 4% after Qwen AI said to be integrated in Apple Intelligence. And let me quote you these bullet points. Alibaba's US listed shares rose in pre-market trading on Wednesday after news that its Qwen AI model would be integrated into Apple services in China. Qwen will be integrated into Apple Intelligence experience within iOS, iPad OS, macOS, and Vision OS for users in China, an Alibaba spokesperson told SNBC. The technological rivalry between the US and China has intensified in recent months as both countries race for dominance in AI. And guys, this is the huge update for Alibaba, because you know that, well, in my opinion, it was some kind of deal between the Chinese government and Apple in order to rely on Chinese market, Apple should use Chinese companies as a part of their software. And that is why potentially Alibaba was chosen by Chinese Communist Party in order to be a partner of Apple. And definitely this was the reason why this asset went up from basically for 8% within just a couple of sessions from Wednesday to Friday. And that is the reason why we might rely on this movement as a 5-wave structure. But what was the reason for this more substantial wave to the upside? Let me show you this. This is the article that was published on Trading Key, and it's titled Alibaba Group Holding stock moved up by 7.65% on July 15th. What signal does it send? And here are the bullet points. New Chinese stimulus measures are driving Alibaba's e-commerce and retail growth prospects. Cloud intelligence valuation is increasing due to generative AI integration and higher margins. Institutional capital inflows and share buybacks are supporting the company's equity price. And guys, in general, I have to admit that fundamentally, Alibaba is a very strong and successful company. It was suppressed, let's switch to daily time frame. It was suppressed by some, well, let's say political issues inside the Chinese Communist Party back in 2020. And since then, this asset lost a substantial 78% of its value. But for now, guys, if I turn off all the tools, we had this quite massive rally that brought to Alibaba's value more than 170%, and for now we have this sharp decline, during which this asset lost again about half of its value. And for now, guys, it is a very good contender to be a bottom, local bottom for the price action, which might lead to higher price targets. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's switch to hourly time frame, and let me show you all the tools that I drew back in the days. And I told you that we have to see this 5-wave structure that should be followed by 3-wave structure. And so far so good. We have this structure. On top of that, guys, let me pay attention to this yellow line. If I zoom out to 4 hours time frame, let me show you even on a bigger scale, on 6 hours time frame. It is the level of support that I drew back in wait a second, in 2025. You can see that if I connect these 3 bottoms, it is the line of support and some kind of trend line that was broken just less than a month ago. And for now, this asset is above this level again, and it is retesting this level. It retested this level just several days ago and went higher. Does it mean that we are out of the woods? No, it doesn't. But it means that we have a very good contender of this bottom as the potential beginning of new uptrend. And if this bottom holds, and especially if this asset doesn't break potentially this yellow line again to the downside, we will have very high chances to see the breakout above, first of all, this previous swing high and this swing high as well. So that is why, guys, wait for the pure structure of 3 waves to the downside. It shouldn't break, first of all, let me pull Fib retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top. It shouldn't break $97.45. It is the last threshold after which we can say that this movement to the upside failed. But if it doesn't break even this line at the range of about $110, it will be even a better sign that we might see a next leg to the upside and a very, very substantial rally. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.